Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss the free MBs for lockdown. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, I will request to you, please stay home or stay safe. So I am going to discuss about the packages, free packages for the lockdown. Especially you can enjoy this. Here the JS package and Ufone and Zong and Telenor, they are providing the MBs as well. So friends, you can see star 117 star 72 star 3 hash for JS internet package free, star 987 hash for Ufone monthly package free, star 247 hash for Telenor WhatsApp package free. You can use your WhatsApp free. Just dial the star 247 hash Telenor package. It's a WhatsApp package, and you can get the free 20 minutes on Zong SIM for every day. In 24 hours, you can get the 20 minutes. Dial star 45 hash. Okay, friends. So do not forget to like, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching.